Hello?
I'm still kind of thinking
Hello?
about just did I really get to sing at Jessie last week?
What are you doing, Charlie Bear?
It's pretty surreal.
What are you doing, Charlie Bear? Hello? Hello? Oh! Oh, sneezing. Excellent sneezing. Many sneezes. More?
Amber is no stranger to the music industry. She's been singing at pubs
Yeah,
and
me.
clubs around the capital for the past 15 years. Amber is now preparing to give birth to her second child in 3 weeks.
Hello?
But having a baby isn't getting in the way of her plans for a special
Hello?
concert in Canberra in October.
Little thingy?
I don't want to waste too much time, so
Yeah?
I've got a pretty great husband, so he'll be like, just go for it.
Smiling.
Amber wants the concert to
I'm
send
smiling.
to her fans across the capital.
I'm smiling.
After being overwhelmed by the amount of support she's
The
received.
belly. A tickling in the belly. No, daddy. No, daddy.
Amber is yet to approach a venue about the
No, daddy.
She's enjoying coming down from the Voice High.
My focus has been so much on the show, and just today